how to fold and flex a hexahexaflexagon. Now, to do this, you're going to need the strip of paper I handed out in class that has all these triangles on it. You will want 6 markers or crayons or pencils or something, different colors, 6 different colors. You're going to want a glue stick. You're going to want a pencil. And you may want some scissors, depends. Now, if you do not have this special piece of paper right there, I'm going to spend the first part of this video showing you how to make that so that you can fold your own hexahexaflexagon. So if you are already good to go, you've got that cut out, and you're just waiting to see how to put that together, then go ahead and skip ahead to show you how to make that piece. If you don't have that printout, I'm going to use this green sheet of paper. Normally I'd want to use white because I want to color it, but the folds will show up better for when I'm about to show you this. So the first part of this video, I'm going to show you how to make that if you do not already have one. So for starters, you're going to want a 1-inch strip of paper cut off the edge of just a normal sheet of paper. So this strip of paper is 11 inches by 1. And we're actually going to wind up having 19 of these triangles. Now these triangles are all even on all sides. That means these are equilateral triangles. And because they're equilateral triangles, then that means this angle right there, and there, and there, and there, and there, all those angles are 60 degrees. So for starters, I want a 60-degree angle right there. Well, that's what I have a protractor for. Now, if you don't have a protractor, you can easily make one out of paper. Here's a paper protractor. And if you don't know how to use this and you need one right now, go ahead and stop and look at my other video, the paper protractor, and make one of these, and then meet me back here. Here, oh wait. Okay, so you're going to take this. We want 60 degrees. So there's my 60 degree. So I'm going to set this right here in the corner. Make sure it's even with the bottom edge. Good, 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 good. I'm going to get as close to the edge as I can. Now I'm going to fold this over. Good. Let me get this out of here. Now I'll fold this over completely and get a nice tight crease right there. Okay, so that means this line right here, this is a 60-degree angle right there. So now if I take this piece of paper and I fold this right along that fold I just made, meeting that corner and right, getting a nice tight crease, not quite tight enough, right? There we go. Crease that. You can see what I have now is a triangle. Triangle. See it, see it, see it, see it. Good. Now I'm just going to keep doing that. So I folded it that way. Now I'm going to take this edge here and fold it down this way. Again, always making sure I get a nice tight corner right there at the top. Look at that. I now have 2. 1, 2. Now I'll take this and fold it this way. And I'll keep doing that. Blah, 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 blah. You may be tempted to fold it like this and then fold it like that and fold it like that. Do not do that, because you'll wind up bunching up several thicknesses of paper, and by the time you get to the end, you'll be way off. Take a moment and unfold and then fold each new triangle separately using the crease you just made. And if you're patient and precise, you will get this strip right here without all the lines. And when you're done with this one, you'll have this little bit here you're going to snip off. And then you'll have a similar piece at this end you want to snip off. So if you need to do that to get started on your own hexaflexagon, go ahead and do that now, and all will wait. Okay. Now, so here you have either strip of paper that we just folded that shows all your little triangles, or you have this printout right here again, 19 triangles. Now before we do anything, what I really encourage you to do is to flip this over. And we're going to take a moment here to fold along every one of these lines. So I'm going to start right here in the corner. I'm going to fold this very precisely right up there and right along that printed line. So right along that printed line. Just fold it on that printed line. Then unfold that and move on to the next one. Right along that printed line, unfold, do the next one. Right along that printed line. Good. Do the next one. Right along that printed line. Good. And next one. Right along that printed line. And so on, and so on, and so on, all the way down the line. I'll let you pause the tape right here and finish doing that. I've already got one here. Good to go. Okay, so I'll wait. Okay, now you've got it folded off, so all these lines, you're ready to go. You have an idea. There's your triangles on the back. There's your triangles on the front. We are all set to make the hexahexaflexagon. Now, start with a little pencil here. And I'm going to write very lightly because I don't want the really thing I want this to have some color to it. That's what I'm going to focus on. So I'm going to write really lightly in here so I know which squares are which, and then I'll use that to help me color. So starting here, note how this, I've got the printed side up, or I've got this triangle, this edge coming down from right to left, rather than like that. No, yes, no, yes. All right. And we'll start this way. You're going to put a 1, a 2, and a 3. 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 A 1, a 2, and a 3, and the letter A. Good. Now flip it straight over, just straight over like that. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A. Flip it over. Now put a B right there, and now write 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Good. Flip it back over. Now let's do some coloring here. You can color these after you fold them, but it's a little more fun to color them before and then try to find all the colors in your finished piece. And I'm just going to use solid colors, but you can get really fancy with these. One of my students, this is just a tri-hexaflexagon, but you can see the kind of fanciness you can put into these, and I strongly encourage you to do that. So there's one side. There we go, almost. Okay, come on, Kathy. Okay, there we go. There, see there? See, yeah, she did a great job on this. A special thanks to Trinity for that one. Very nice, very nice. So yes, you can get as fancy as you want. Let's use solid colors here. And for number 1, I'm going to use this here, infrared. So just a quick little 1. There's a 1. There's a 1. There's a 1. A 1. A 1. A 1. Good. Now there should be 6 of each color, so there's my 6 ones. For 2, I'll use this here. What is that? Primrose. So there's a 2. There's a 2. There's a 2. There's a 2. And there's a 2. Oh, and there's a 2. So I should have 6 2s. And for this one here, I'm going to use electric lime. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Good. Now, let's flip that over. Whoops, this one's not closed either. Hang on a second. There you go. Don't want to draw out the markers. That over. And I'll use this here. What is this? This is seafoam green. That looks like 4 is going to be a good seafoam green. So there's a 4. Right next to it's another 4. There's a 4. And there's a 4. And there's a 4. And there's a 4. And for 5, I'll use this here yellow, but it's not just yellow. It is laser lemon. Wow, look at that. Laser lemon. Alright, there's a 5. There's a 5. And there's a 5. And there's a 5. And finally, I will use battery charged blue to color my 6s. There we go. Good. 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 And that one. And finally, right there. Splendid. Okay, we're now ready to go. So let's flip this over. Now, starting from the left, I'm just gonna fold and fold. So just wrapping it up around itself. Fold and fold. Fold and fold. Fold and fold and fold. So let me lay that flat. So there we are, right there. Now for me, my 2s are the primrose color. So now we're going to start. Let's focus on these primrose colors right there. Okay. I'm going to start and fold on this line. I'm going to fold this back. Now when I do, I should see another primrose show up. That's a sign. Look at that. That's a sign things are going well. Let me crease that good and tight. Good. So I've got 4 primroses. Now if I fold this over here, I should see another primrose show up right there. Let's see if it does. By golly, yes it does. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. So now it looks like so. I need another primrose right there. Well, it's right. I just gotta get this out of the way and put this underneath that. There we go. There we go. So there's all my primroses, or all my 2s right there. The number 2s or the primrose, whatever color you made. Now if you flip this over, another sign that things are going your way is the A and the B should be right next to each other. And if you fold the A so it covers the B, there's your 3s or all my greens all in a nice bunch together. Splendid. So let's take a moment here, use our glue stick, and get some glue on A there. And flip that over and glue it right on top of B. All right, you're now ready to start using your hexaflexagon. And right now we can see the primrose color, we can see the seafoam green, or is that electric lime? I think that's electric lime. Okay, now before we get starting to really folding this in earnest, I would take a moment and just crease that. I'm going to crease it along each of those diagonals just to get this used to being folded. Good, good, good. All right, now here's the deal. So starting in any orientation, doesn't matter. I'm going to pick this side, I'm going to pinch these 2 together and then push this side in flat. So that is a pinch and a push, a pinch and a push, a pinch and a push. And if you do the pinch and push, you should wind up with this little 3-lobed effect here. And more importantly, if you carefully pry apart the middle, you can unfold that and look at that. There's my infrared, or my number 1s. There you go. So from here again, I will do a pinch and a push, and I will, there you go. There's my primrose. So pinch and push. There's my electric lime, my infrared, and my primrose. Now I know that they're laser yellow, seafoam green. What the heck was a blue? Oh, battery charged blue are all in there too. Where could they be hiding? Well, that's part of the fun of the hexahexaflexagon. You know they're in there somewhere. And if you keep folding, you're going to figure out what you need to do here. Now, it's quite possible to get to a point where, oh, there, okay, good. There we go. Oh, back to the red. So it's quite possible to reach a point where you can't open that up. If that happens, just rotate it and try again. You can even try flipping it over, try it again. See, like in this configuration right here, you can't open that up. So don't force it, okay? Just move on or flip it over and start again. There you go. And I'll leave it up to you to figure out how to get to all the different colors. That's kind of the fun part of the whole hexahexaflexagon. All right, very good. Wonderful. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you in class on Wednesday.